Oh my God. Press the button. I pressed the goddamn camera. I'm technologically stupid. So Keeks, today's the big day. What do you think?
Really excited.
Yeah, what are you most excited about? All right, this is the start of the Boogeyman build, which I've been planning out for a while. The idea has always been pretty simple. I want to build a horror show truck that I can still use as a daily driver for my family. So while we're definitely going bigger, it needs to be built right from the start. And today, we're starting that transformation with the McGaughy 7 to 9 inch lift, maxed out to 9, plus new wheels and tires. Welcome to YouTube, sweetheart.
Hello, YouTube. It's gonna be a good day.
Why is it going to be a good day?
We're going to get the Boogeyman lifted.
That's right.
And that's the Boogeyman.
Yeah, that's usually how these projects start. Confidence first, worry about it later. About to get the Boogeyman. Boogeyman's about to grow up, become a man. He was a boogie boy. Now he becomes a boogeyman. From boys to men. Boogie boys to boogeymen. Have I played out the Boogeyman a little bit? This is when things get started. From here on in, we just keep making it, keep building it, keep making it better and better. And then, yeah, this is just the starting point. Then we get cray-cray. Sometimes you have these thoughts and dreams, and you're always like, that's just a pipe dream. That'll never happen. I grew up from a boy who loved Stomper 4x4s and the movie Halloween to making a Stomper 4x4 truck in the image of Michael Myers. So, man, good things happen. Dreams do come true. Some people might think I'm absolutely insane.
Yeah, no doy.
Fair enough. Have you guys noticed how terrible people are driving nowadays? Just awful. People drive like shit. Getting closer to the shop, I was getting excited and definitely a little anxious, if I'm being honest. You gotta help me pick out these colors.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Hey, how's it going? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good morning.
You talking about the truck, correct?
I am. Yeah. Are you Ava?
Yes.
Hi, nice to meet you. Thanks again for all your help. Yeah, it sure is. When you talk about a place doing it right, come on, talk about a customer experience.
Swatch for your powder.
Oh, nice, yeah, perfect.
Over here.
So this
Yeah.
one is the lollipop,
Oh, nice,
lollipop
yeah,
red, and then
perfect.
this one is the lollipop cherry and illusion red.
Okay.
So then there's those two, and then these are all of the
The
powder
other
swatches.
ones, yeah. Seeing everything laid out like this really makes it start to feel very real. Everything's coming together great, but you know, once these decisions are locked in, there's no going back. Hey, Jen. Okay. So, here, go up over here. Just go over here. Like, put him like, I want to see him in the sun. Yeah, so at this point, I was feeling really good about everything. The parts were ordered, the colors had been picked, the timeline was set. From here on out, it was out of my hands. All that was left to do was wait.